From the beginning of time, God has revealed himself to his people. We have heard God's name as Elohim, El Shaddai, Adonai, Jehovah, Yeshua, Jehovah Jireh, Jehovah Shalom, and so much more, each name revealing his character and nature. Now, during our current global financial crises, Dr. Pat Francis unfolds through an amazing 4-part study entitled Jehovah Kahil, the Lord of Wealth. You will learn how the Lord of Wealth gives us the ability to create wealth through innovation and creation, how God hates poverty, the importance of creating wealth for wealth transfer, and so much more. This revelation teaching from Dr. Pat Francis, Jehovah Kahil, the Lord of Wealth CD series for $25 or DVD for $40. Don't delay. Call now at Pat Francis Ministries to order Jehovah Kahil, the Lord of Wealth at 1-800-414-4210. Our representatives are waiting to take your call, or order online at patfrancis.org.